Hey, hey, hey. Welcome to Dee Dee's Main Thing, where I treat you just like a queen or king. Hey. Let's get right into this thing. It's gonna be a doozy today. hey. Been a whole day, you guys. Finally made it to the table. Hey. Welcome. Welcome to Dee Dee's Main Thing, where I treat you just like a queen or a king. Let's get into this thing. Today I have plated for myself seafood gumbo. I made it with Dungeness crab today. Okay? And I made it with Uncle Ben's rice on the side. Let me bless the food and let's get it in. Let's get started. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive for my body's nourishment. For Christ's sake, amen again. I'm going to bring up some seashells tonight. Just because I want to. Or the saying goes, just because I can. The great Cindy Mills say just because I can. Let's bring up seashells. Some that you guys can see a lot. But I'm going to put some here anyway. I think you can see them. How about that? Seashells. Oh gosh. So, what I have in here today, let me tell you. And the gumbo is delicious. I'm going to start by telling you that. Take a roll call, you guys. Gumbo. I put in okra. Cut okra is not slimy. I have sausage, smoked sausage. Let me check in on that. I cut in a Roma tomato, fresh Roma tomato, diced it up, cut it up. That's what I have on this spoonful. I have shrimp. Got a shrimp here. Got gizzards. While I was doing the live yesterday, I had gizzards cooking. Nice and tender. They just chew apart. It just went apart on my teeth. Good. I have chicken drumettes. I put 4 in the whole pot. I put 4 chicken drumettes. 2 flat and 2 not flat. 2 drums. Everything's good. Looks good. And my confession tonight, everybody that knows me, ooh, that hot and gets a little spicy now. Ooh. Everybody that knows me, I already know I don't know how to make rice. So I always cheat my rice. Tonight I'm having Uncle Ben's original. Pop it in the microwave. And it's ready. Everybody that knows me know I don't know how to make rice. And you just pop it in the microwave and then you squeeze the bag. Or you could fluff it with a fork if you like. I'm going to put it right about back here. You can make it like nice and pretty. I'm going to put it right there. Look at this. I usually get it in that little, they have it like a pudding, those snack cups. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Pull the top off. Done. I love rice pilaf. This is original. I have some jasmine. I would like to have that like with some chicken and cream of mushroom or cream of celery. Ta-da. Well, you know I've been talking about some gumbo, right? And then it went ahead and rained the other day. When I say rain, I mean a little spat was on the windshield. That's all, a little spat. We don't get rain here. Not even in the rainy season do we get rain. Like I told you, if you want rain, you gotta turn it on the YouTube and then go for rainy thunderstorm. That's how I get my rain at night. If I'm tossing and turning, I turn it on the rain channel on YouTube. Then they'll have a thunderstorm there, and that's how I go to sleep. Other than that, forget it. The last big rainy rain I got was El Nino. That was back in '99. Time ago. Oh, this is delicious here. I could just feel it going down. When I had the pastrami, I had this on the stove. It was all done. But like I told you, I don't like a fresh pot of gumbo. I like it to marry. Not to be tooting my own horn, but it's good. Really good. Do we have any Atlanta housewives out there tonight? Condolence to the Leaks family. Nene lost her husband today. Condolence to her family and all his sons, and it's horrible whenever you have a death. Even if you're expecting it, you know, it's still rough. The only thing you could say out of it is he's in no more pain, you know. That's the only thing that keeps you going. You know, down here, yes, you miss him, but up there, you just. It sounds horrible, but it's just like no more pain for them, you know. He could be himself again. It's just not the same. You know, they're not themselves. And now he can be at peace, you know. For those of you that don't deal with death, I've had a lot of death in my family. I've experienced a lot of death. And that's how I have to rationalize it, is that they're in no more pain. That's the only way I get through it. No more pain. Other than that, you'll beat yourself up. Few of the other housewives have come forward and left statements for her. Candy, Cynthia, and Portia have left statements for her. I know he was close to Lonnie Love. He's a big guy. Well, he was so nice and kind, you know. Oh my God. Horrible. Shrimp are delicious. It's delicious, you guys. Just what I want with some good old gumbo. Now I'm gonna tell you the next thing that I want. I'm still looking for some tripe. I forget who asked me for some tripe. I think comedian Al Hendricks said he want me to get some tripe. I'm still trying to find some. I gotta go to the right market. And to be perfectly honest with you, I have Walmart right here and I just run in Walmart. But I haven't gone I could go to another market. And I need to go to look for some tripe. That's what I need to do. Oh, this is delicious. Oh, Lord. This rice is delicious, and okra, just what you always want. Would you like a bite, you guys? Would you like some gumbo? Oh, some good old seafood gumbo. Yeah, every time I try to make rice, it turns into porridge. Such good. I have a rice cooker. I have that $99 pot that cooks this and that. A crock pot. And it's just up on the counter. Claustrophobic, and I don't like it there, but it won't fit down in the cupboard because my cupboards are deep, but then they have a shelf in it. Blew the whole thing. So, and I don't like anything on the top. You know, like most people have the crock pot, the toaster, the bread maker. I mean, if I had that whole big, and it is what it is. And with theirs is a little small kitchen. That's exactly what it is. Oh, you guys can see I have lemon lime water. I took the time to make that. I haven't had it in a couple of days. And I don't want to get all swollen up here. So I have 2 limes and 1 lemon. Salute. Oh. Excuse me, pretty good little mix there. Okay, let me go on and get down with it now. First of September, you guys, you believe it? Can you believe that? I can't. We're nearly there. It's almost time to start all over again. Almost time to start over again. Okay. Oh, this is delicious. I'm just going on. I forgot you guys were here. Do you guys eat your gumbo with rice or without rice? Let me know. Do you eat your gumbo with or without rice? For me, it all depends. I could do it either way. If we have rice, I could use a little sticky rice. If not, so be it. So be it. So be it. So much goes through my head and all you guys. Like you don't know. Like you don't even know. Today I did a little more work over at Kiana. It's okay. I try to come on in the daytime sun. Do my live. So I don't wake everybody up out the bed. No. No, that sucks. Let me eat this big one for you guys. If this is the first time you're stopping by Dee Dee's Main Thing, welcome. Welcome to Dee Dee's Main Thing. Where I treat you like a queen or a king. Welcome to What's Up Wednesday. Did you have something that was going on today out of the norm? I just wanted to know what's up. What's up? What's up? Can somebody see me eat the... That's where we go crab at. Okay. Here we go. You got it. Let's go. My taste buds are all over the place, so excuse my popping. I'm not trying. I'm not trying. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Did you see my mother today? My mother said for you guys a thumbs up the video. She said thumbs up the video. Give that video a thumbs up, baby. See, she be acting like she don't want to be on the camera, but I think she low key, she really want to be on though. That's awesome. Juice went everywhere, you guys. Oh, juice went everywhere. Everywhere. I was saving you this piece to the very last thing you got. Because now, that's what's up. Take that piece of Dungeness crab and eat it. Is your mouth watering yet? Mine is. And that's what's up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Be nice. Be kind to everyone you meet. Everyone. You never know what no one's going through in life. You never know. So be nice. Be kind. Live, love, laugh. Live, love, laugh. You know, you might make someone's day. They may be having a real crappy day. Their husband may be transforming over, preparing a homegoing or something, getting ready to go. Their wife may be holding on. You never know. Maybe someone just got slapped. Maybe someone just lost their job. You never know what they're going through. Maybe just became homeless. So be nice. Be kind.